When we add, we are joining numbers. Let's put objects together and get a bigger number. Start at the top with the ones. Add them. What is 3 plus 0? It is 3. Next, go to the other side. Add tens. What is 1 plus 1? It is 2. The answer is 23. Start at the top with the ones. Add them. What is 5 plus 0? It is 5. Next, go to the other side. Add tens. What is 2 plus 2? It is 4. The answer is 45. Try to solve 44 plus 40. It's 84. Try to solve 60 plus 15. The answer is 75.
For more educational resources, visit the Green Chalkboard store on TPT. You can also visit my blog, firstteaserheroes.blog, and follow me on Pinterest at the Green Chalkboard 1. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.